On 1st April 2026, the government launched a CBSE curriculum on computational thinking (CT) and AI for class 3rd to 8th. The aim is to build skills like logical reasoning, problem solving, and pattern recognition and introduce students to AI in daily life. The program will begin from the 2026-27 academic session and is seen as a step toward future-ready education. While the initiative is ambitious and welcome, its success depends on proper implementation and sequencing. The missing foundation LSRW skills in AI learning. Importance of LSRW skills. Listening, speaking, reading, writing. LSRW form the core of meaningful learning. They are the cognitive foundation for understanding, processing, and expressing ideas across all subjects, including AI. CT curriculum built on language. Computational thinking (CT) is integrated across subjects, not a stand-alone discipline. It is delivered through language, requiring students to read, interpret, and respond to text. Learning activities depend on comprehension. Curriculum includes puzzles, pattern exercises, and problem-solving tasks embedded in textbook. Students must interpret text and analyze information to complete these tasks. Assessment requirement. Evaluation involve written test with CT questions, group activities, teacher observation, all require basic reading and comprehension skills. Core concerns. The CT curriculum effectively functions as a literacy-based learning tool. Students who lack grade level reading ability will face it as a reading challenge rather than a thinking exercise. What the data reveals. Learning deficit across schools. Evidence from ASER 2024. The ASER 2024 report shows that over half of class 5 students in government schools cannot read a class 2 level text. The basic reading benchmark has remained unchanged since 2006. Persistent literacy gap. Even after 5 years of schooling, many children fail to achieve foundational reading skills. This highlights a serious gap in basic learning outcomes, not limited to rural or government schools. The assumption that private or urban schools perform better is incorrect. Learning deficits exist across different school types. Finding from Parak 2024. The national assessment covering 23 lakh students found that urban private school students perform worse than rural counterparts at grade 3 level. Government school students score higher in language and mathematics. Implication for CBSE students. Students entering CBSE classrooms are not insulated from the literacy crisis. They are directly affected by the same foundational learning challenges. A promise and a deadline. Literacy goals versus reality. Nipun Bharat Mission, launched in 2021 to ensure foundational literacy and numeracy by grade 3rd. Target year set as 26-27. Current status of learning levels. ASER 2024 shows improvement since 2022. However, more than half of class 5 students still cannot read a class 2 level text. Gap between target and achievement. The literacy goal remains incomplete as of the latest data. Foundational learning levels are still below expectation. Overlap with CT curriculum launch. The CT curriculum is introduced in the same year the literacy target was to be achieved. This creates a mismatch between policy goals and ground reality. What the curriculum assumes: dependence on foundational skills, focus on higher order cognitive skills. The CT curriculum aims to develop logical, critical, and analytical thinking. There are advanced skills that depend on basic comprehension as a prerequisite. Abstract reasoning cannot develop without the ability to understand written text and instruction, which reading skills hinder the development of computational thinking. Increasing complexity in class 6. From class 6, assessment include project presentation, reflective journals, written assignment. AI concepts are also introduced at this stage. Risk of early learning breakdown. Students struggling with reading in earlier classes may fail to build foundational CT skills. The gap becomes visible later, indicating an early breakdown in the learning pipeline. Assessment challenges. Evaluation methods require strong written and oral skills (LSRW). Without these, assessments measure literacy gaps instead of computational thinking ability. The unfulfilled parallel (LSRW and CT). Foundational priority of LSRW. Foundational literacy and numeracy were identified as the highest priority under National Education Policy 2020. Nipun Bharat was launched to achieve this goal. Gap between policy and outcomes. Despite policy focus, LSRW has not been achieved at scale. Data shows that foundational learning gaps still persist. CT as the new priority. Computational thinking CT is now being promoted as a key educational priority. The curriculum is well designed and ambitious, developed by leading academic institutions based on activity-based and ethical approaches. The sequencing question literacy before AI. Global experience. Countries like Finland, Singapore, and South Korea introduced AI education after achieving a strong foundational literacy. Curriculum reforms followed literacy, not preceded it. India's current position. India has institutional momentum with initiatives like Nipun Bharat ASER 2024 shows improvement in reading levels, though gaps remain. Need for careful sequencing. The issue is not whether to introduce computational thinking and AI, but whether students are ready. Foundational literacy must support the rollout. Ground reality in classrooms. Students in class 3rd face CT tasks alongside existing reading gaps. The effectiveness of the curriculum depends on the child's readiness. Conclusion. A curriculum success depends on learning foundation. Addressing CT without fixing literacy gap does not achieve true transformation.